Brett. Hey, this is Dad Random. I'm probably going to cause a crowd because when you stop here, a lot of people assume that the waterfall is running, and we've had such a dry year this year that there is no waterfall, but this is still a beautiful spot. So what I want to do is chronicle the absence of a waterfall, so next year I can hopefully catch a glimmer of it and just see how far away we are from actually having a spring runoff. And I just don't, like I said, I don't assume it's going to happen this year. I think they're just going to continue to store water and avoid the runoff. But people will still go down, and they'll still, think it's there, because if you stop, then other people stop, and I'm just going to fly over. Do a real quick flight. Now this is perfect Mavic Mini territory. I've got it ready to go, booted up, and I'm going to go fly over the top, check out the spillway, go over to the reservoir and see if we catch any good light. I can see some really good lighting up there, so I might even start my flight above the cliff there, and then fly around and then go behind the waterfall. All right. Hopefully we won't get too much traffic coming through here. People thinking that, hey, he stopped and I should stop. There's something to look at, which there isn't. So, and I assume that we got people with swimming suits and stuff. I mean, really, come on, guys, do your research. Anyway, later. Bye. Let's get flying. right, flight number 2. Now, sometimes it's good to have multiple drones for multiple jobs. And if you're doing photography work, I mean, this is going to give you the craziest photography. We go GoPro on the 5 or 6 inch quad right there. Very, very nimble and athletic. But when you're in a space like this, this is perfect for the FPV quad. So I'm going to take the FPV out, and what I want to do here is, since I'm over water, I got to make good decisions. So what I'm going to do is use DJI's protection, and I'm going to go and do some sport mode flying and some normal mode flying, and I'm going to lock in the attitude. So it's going to keep me from basically getting footage that isn't nice and level. Or maybe I'm just going to fly. Maybe I'll fly manual. I don't know. All right, let's fly it manual. All right.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
All right, Dad Random, done flying for the day. Got to go do some family stuff. But not too bad, got out a little bit late. But hopefully you get a good look at compilation footage of different drones, different purposes. Mainly hit it with the Mavic Mini, the DJI Mini 2, and the FPV drone. So putting that footage together, let's see what we get. All right, later. And 2 DJI drones back to back. Wanted to put up my Mavic Air, but my Go 4 app undownloaded off my phone, so that wasn't very good. So, so poor Go 4. I'm gonna have to reload it later. Bye, dead random from the reservoir. No waterfalls today, guys. No waterfalls today. They're coming.